finding ordered pairs that satisfy a given equation. So this also falls in the same thing with producing XY tables, because with a line or an equation, there's typically not just one solution. There's many, and we can list this as ordered pairs. So say, for example, that I'm given the equation 3x minus 2y equals 6, and I wanted to complete an XY chart to show, depending on values of one or the other, what the other one is. So for example, let's say I had 0 for x. Well, if I have 0 for x, I put a 0 here, minus 2y equals 6, so that means this part goes away. Well, negative 2y equal to 6, divide by negative 2, and y equals negative 3. What if I made y 0? Well, making y 0, I get 3x minus 2 times 0 equal to 6. 2 times 0 is 0, so that piece goes away. So if 3x equal to 6, divide both sides by 3, and x equals 2. So the ordered pair 0, negative 3 is one possible solution. Or it would be a point that is on the line that this would create on a graph. Another solution would be the point 2, 0. We can keep going and pick other points and see what happens. Well, if I make x 1, I get 3 times 1 minus 2y equal to 6. 3 minus 2y equal to 6. Subtract 3 to both sides. Negative 2y equals 3. Divide by negative 2. And y equals negative 3 halves. So we get the point 1, negative 3 halves, is another point on this line. Lastly, what if we made y 3? So making y 3, I'll put it right here. We have 3x minus 2 times 3 equal to 6. Well, 3x minus 6 equals 6. Add 6 to both sides. 3x equals 12. Divide by 3, and x equals 4. So our last point that we're going to test would be 4, 3, that would satisfy this equation or be on the line. There's thousands to millions to an infinite amount of possibilities when given a line of possible ordered pairs that can fall into, that are solutions to this equation. The way to find them is to pick a value for one of your variables and solve for the other variable. An XY table is a really nice way to do this.